all the way north to Cape Tribulation. We've been to the lookouts. It was really a wise decision to drive all the way north first, because after you cross with the Daintree River with the ferry, it is 60 kilometers an hour you're allowed to drive, and it takes quite a while. And there are speed bumps that I've never seen speed bumps like it at all before. It is just like a bump with plenty of rocks in it. It looks like it's worn down or something like that. So now we are heading to GW Boardwalk and Merrill Beach. Buffalo burger, chicken nugget. Now we had lunch at Mason Cafe. I had a buffalo burger. I was supposed to have the crocodile, but we were out of it. And there's supposed to be a swimming hole like 60 meters down that way, but we went to 2 swimming holes yesterday, so we figured we'll skip this one and head on a little bit south and see what we can figure out to do there. This is actually the best boardwalk to now. We've seen like plenty of fish and crabs, and apparently something you could eat if you were a vegetarian, like the baskets. I don't know. But it's pretty awesome in here. It feels like real rainforest. You have trees that just like wrap around other trees, and you have like those things you can swing yourself in, and it's like being in a Tarzan movie. Look at this place. We just stopped by the road and it's so beautiful. It's really an incredible place.